What if I told you that Galaxy S24 users in the US can now be among the first to try out Samsung's brand new One UI 8.0 beta update, just one day after it landed in other countries? This isn't just any small tweak, it's the Android 16-based One UI 8.0 software, packed with design changes, performance improvements, and an early look at what the next big update for Samsung devices will bring. If you own a Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, or Galaxy S24 Ultra in the United States, you can now sign up for the One UI 8 beta program and download the first beta version straight to your phone. The update, which carries the firmware version S9 to XU1 UEU for ZYH3, has a hefty download size of around 3.25 gigabytes and even comes with the August 2025 security patch. So it's not just about new features, you're also getting the latest protection against security threats. Joining the beta is pretty simple. All you need to do is download the Samsung Members app from either the Galaxy Store or the Google Play Store, log in with the same Samsung account you use on your phone, and look for the One UI 8 beta program banner right on the home page of the app. Tap that, register, and once your sign-up is confirmed, head to your phone settings, scroll down to Software Update, tap Download and Install, and when the file is ready, hit Install Now. Your phone will restart after a few minutes and you'll be running the beta version of One UI 8.0, but here's the important part. This is beta software, which means it's still in the testing stage. It's likely to have bugs, glitches, or performance hiccups, and some features might not work as intended. That's why Samsung doesn't recommend installing it on your main device if you rely on it for work or daily use. If you do decide to try it out, Samsung encourages you to report any issues you encounter through the Members app so they can make improvements before the final release rolls out to everyone. Now, while Samsung hasn't detailed every single change just yet, One UI 8.0 is expected to bring smoother animations, a refreshed interface, faster overall performance, and possibly some AI-powered tools that take advantage of the Galaxy S24 series' powerful hardware. It's also worth noting that the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6 haven't received the beta in the USA yet. So right now, S24 owners get exclusive early access. For those who love being ahead of the curve, this is a chance to experience Android 16 on a Samsung flagship months before the stable version becomes available. Still, the big question is whether you're willing to trade a perfectly stable phone for a taste of the future, even if it means living with a few bugs along the way. Updates like this give a real glimpse into how Samsung is shaping the next chapter of its software, and for many tech enthusiasts, that's just tempting to pass up. So what about you? Would you take the leap and install One UI 8.0 beta today, or would you wait until it's completely polished? If you enjoyed this update and want more simple, fact-filled breakdowns of the latest Samsung news, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss what's coming next.